After this rare once in a 15 or 20-year tornado outbreak, people around the region are asking about tornado sirens. One city that decided against sirens is Austin. KXAN's Kelsey Thompson wanted to find out why that is. Kelsey, what did the city tell you today?
Well, David, Austin leaders told me that between the maintenance cost of outdoor sirens paired with the size of the city, officials didn't feel it was the most practical tool to use. They also highlighted the variety of warning systems many of us already have, courtesy our cell phones. Take a listen.
I think advancements in technology play a big part in the direction that we're moving towards warning, and I think we can achieve the same objective as what an outdoor warning system would do by utilizing new technologies that allow us to disseminate information.
Now, besides tuning into local media and our weather apps, the city has partnered with Travis County on Ready Central Texas, an app that provides alerts by zip code with information on emergencies and disasters.
Those are very useful in those times, Kelsey. And as you were writing your story, you found out that the city of Georgetown actually does use sirens. Did they explain why and how exactly do those work?
Yeah, David, so Georgetown officials told me they see sirens as that extra tool in residents' toolkits during emergency situations. They said they're an important supplement to alerting people outside when there's a heightened need to take shelter. But that doesn't come without a cost.
It's exposed to the elements all year round, and we're expecting it to perform in pretty severe conditions. So they are a challenge to maintain, but I think our community likes having them, and it is that stopgap. It's a last-ditch effort to alert people.
Now, for cities that do have emergency sirens in place, these are linked to the National Weather Service's system. When an area is designated with a tornado warning, every siren in that region automatically triggers. So while Georgetown walked away from Monday's tornadoes without major damage, its proximity to places like Round Rock helped trigger the siren.
Really important information. Kelsey Thompson in the newsroom, thank you so much for joining us. And if you want to sign up for Ready Central Texas, we recommend you do so. We have a link in Kelsey's story over on KXAN.com. You can also do what's even easier. Download our KXAN weather app that uses GPS technology in your phone to do the same thing. If you're under a tornado warning or a severe thunderstorm warning, it will automatically sound an alarm in your pocket.